In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a PayPal donate button. To begin, head over to www.paypal.com. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. Enter your email address and password on the next page. Then click Login to access your account. After signing in, go to the Pay and Get Paid section from your dashboard. Inside that section, find the option labeled Accept Payments and click on it to continue. Next, scroll down until you see the option for Create Payment Links and Buttons. Click on that option, and you'll be taken to a page showing different button types. From there, select Payment Buttons to start creating your donation button. Now you can begin customizing the button. Start by entering a name and description for the donation button. This information will appear for people making contributions. After that, go to the Appearance section. You can choose one of the available graphics or upload your own graphic if you want to use a custom design. Next, find the pricing option and change it to Customer Set Price. This allows donors to enter the amount they want to contribute. Then, locate the option for a single button and select Custom. In the label field, type Donate so the button displays the correct text. Once you've finished customizing the button and everything looks the way you want, click the Build It button. PayPal will then generate the HTML code for your Donate button. Copy the generated HTML code and paste it anywhere you want the button to appear. You can add it to your website, blog, or any page that supports HTML code. After pasting the code into the HTML section of the page, the Donate button will become active and ready to receive contributions. That's all you need to do. Your PayPal Donate button is now created and ready to use. Thank you for watching.